Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. This will be a morning yoga stretch. Namaste, everyone. My name is Beth. I'm bringing you this yoga this evening for an evening yoga stretch, especially when you come back from work and you're knackered and you want to come onto your mat. This will be a very short practice, so come onto your mat, roll the mat out, have block or strap handy, and let's begin in child's pose. So come onto your child's pose, bring the big toes to touch, reach those hands forward, lengthen the spine. Allow yourself to set an intention, even though it's a short practice. Allow your shoulders to relax and allow your hip to reach back. And allow your head to release. I want you to take a big breath in and big breath out. And slowly bring yourself into the hands and knees. Allowing yourself to lengthen the spine here, making sure the knee is underneath the hip. Inhale, look up. And exhale, round. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Slowly place your left hand to point towards the left side of the mat and the right hand to point towards the right. And roll in to the sides, releasing any tension on the shoulder. Release the left hand to point towards the knee, allowing your shoulders here to release and allowing your wrists to also equally release. Release the palm on the mat. Release the right fingers to point towards the knee. Release any tension on the shoulder. Release the left hand. Press the right hand forward. Tuck the toes under and sit towards your heels. Then draw the knuckles down. Open the heart. Look up. As you exhale, I want you to roll down as you release the top of the legs on the mat. Knuckles reach forward. Notice your breath. Inhale, lifting up, open, tuck the toes under, finding your length here. Allow your neck to release. Allow yourself to lift the sternum. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Knowing that you feel the stretch on your foot, you also feel the stretch on your shoulder. Exhale, release the hands underneath your shoulder. Taking a big breath in, we're going to bring the right knee on the mat. Bring the left foot on the mat. Right hand underneath you. You can place a block underneath the right hand. So again, lengthening the spine. Maybe take the left hand up. Try not to collapse on the shoulder. Allow yourself to breathe in and breathe out. Exhale, bring the left hand down and then slowly switch to the other side. Bring your left knee on the mat, being mindful. Bring the left hand on the block or the mat. Take the right leg out. And then inhale the right hand, reach high. Being aware of your breath. Exhale, bring the hands to the mat. And slowly now, finding your breath. And then draw your knee, chest, and chin on the mat. Inhale, coming into cobra. Push the legs back. And then bring the hands behind you. Interlace the hand. Draw the knuckles back. Lift the sternum. Exhale, release the hand. So notice your breath. Now bring the right hand outside of your right shoulder. And then slowly roll over to the right side of the mat. Push your left hand into the mat, head on the mat. So trying to release that shoulder, and then bring your left hand back and maybe interlace the hand. So as you have the hands interlaced, try to bring the palm together. You can bring that left leg behind the right one and allow your shoulder to release. Push your left leg into the mat, lengthen the spine, and breathe in and out. Exhale, slowly roll yourself back, and then inhale, lift yourself up. Exhale, roll down on the mat. From here, you're going to bring the left hand out, and then roll over to the left side, head on the mat. Finding your breath. Inhale, bring the right hand back, interlace the hand, drawing the knuckles together and away from the shoulder. You can stay here, you can bring the right leg behind the left one. And allow yourself to release. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, slowly bring yourself to the center and lift your upper body up. I want you to be cognizant of your breath. Exhale, release. From here, allow yourself to press into your forearm. Finding that length. Tuck the toes under. Push into your hands and then lift your knee. Maybe you hover here. If you further to go, you can work to straighten that leg and look towards your knee. Maybe you walk your legs a little bit in. Feel your legs, your hamstring especially. And I want you to notice your breath. Remembering it's a deep stretch after work. You can do this also in the morning when you wake up, and allow yourself to release your shoulder here. When you have it, exhale, draw the knee on the mat, sit towards your heels, and then bring the hands behind you, interlace the hand. Take a big breath in, and then draw the knuckles forward. Try to release the head on the mat. Maybe you lift the hip, bring the knuckles forward, but observe your breath. Inhale, rolling yourself up, all the way up, finding your breath. Inhale, hands reach up. Then exhale, bring yourself into child's pose. Let it go. As you lengthen the spine, I want you to be cognizant of your breath. Then take a big breath in. Bring the left leg outside of the left hand. Take the right leg back. Lengthen the spine. Pull your chest forward and allow your right knee to release. Again, noticing your facial muscles. Breathe in and out. You can also put a block towards where your hands are. Maybe stay on the hands. If you further to go, you can bring your forearm on the mat. Noticing where you're holding tension. Allow yourself to release. Inhale back into those hands, lengthen. And then you can use the block as well, or a book, and then stretch out your leg. Pull your toes towards your face. You can wiggle the right leg back. I want you to lengthen the spine. Noticing any tension on the knee. Bend the left leg. Maybe lift the right knee off the mat. Bending that left leg, notice your shoulder. Exhale, lower the right knee on the mat. Half split. Lifting your toes towards your face. Squaring the hip, allowing your shoulders to relax. Pull your belly in. Lengthen the spine. Bend the left leg. Stretch out the right leg. Lengthen. Then exhale, push on the block or the mat, and then bring your right leg to meet with the left. Inhale, look forward, lengthen. Exhale, fold. You can place your hands on the mat, or you can grab your big toe and then forward fold. You can have a micro bend on the knee. If you cannot touch your foot, you can bring that block and see whether your head can reach the block. You can stack 2 blocks and allow your face to relax. More straighten your legs, more notice the destination, especially if you have tight hamstring. Allow yourself to release. Release the block. And then step the left leg back. Bring the right leg in between the hands. Now, look forward, lengthen. Lower your left knee on the mat. And then bring the right hand inside the right leg. And place your forearm on the mat. Again, notice where you are comfortable. You can stay on the hands. You still get equally amazing stretch here. Allow your lengthen. Breathe in. Maybe you bring your forearm on the block. Want you to be cognizant of any tightness and breathe. Send your breath to your lower back or towards the groin. Inhale back into your hands. Frame the front foot. Tuck the toes under, left toes under. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Pushing that left leg back. As you exhale, lower your knee on the mat and straighten the right leg, pointing your toes towards your face. Notice your back body. Inhale, bend the right leg, lift the left knee, shoulder away from the ears. Exhale, lower the left knee on the mat, and inhale, straighten the right leg, pointing your toes towards the sky. Last time here, bend the knee, plant the hands on the block, lift the left leg, and look forward to lengthen the spine. Exhale, straighten the right leg and bring the left leg to meet with the right. Now, open your legs about mat distance apart, interlace the hand overhead, and then allow your head to release. And then draw the knuckles forward. You can bend the knee here. You can work to straighten up both legs. Don't force anything. You can look forward, push your big toes into the mat. Then inhale, start to bend the knee and reach your hands forward and noticing your prayer squat here. More you drop your hips, more you reach your hand forward. When you have it, I want you to lower your hip to the mat, straighten the legs, hands reach up, and then exhale, forward fold. You can bring a block if you are more flexible and hold the block, look forward, and then fold. If you further to go, you can put a strap over your feet or the block. Pull yourself forward, lengthen the spine, then exhale, begin to fold forward. Relax the head and relax the shoulder, back of the knee on the mat. Inhale, if you have a strap or your hands, reach the hands all the way up. Lengthen, keep the legs active. Think as if you're an imaginary wall. Then exhale, we fold once more. Put a strap again, or a belt, or a tie. Lengthen the spine. Then exhale, start to fold. This is a great pose, especially if you've been sitting in the office for a long time. Continue to breathe. Continue to find length. You can hold that block if you gain more space. And allow your neck and shoulder to relax. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, bring the hands on the mat. And then cross your leg this time. Coming into easy pose. Inhale, hands reach up. Catch the left hand catches the right wrist. Lengthen the spine. And then open through the side body. I want you to feel cognizant to your right knee now. And come back to center. The right hand catches the left wrist. Go across, open, keep the eyes soft. And allow yourself to feel that stretch. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Interlace the hand, open the palm. Then exhale, slowly release the hands and cross the hands and catch your shoulder. Pull it down, breathe in. Inhale, float the hands all the way up. Exhale, we twist. Bring the left hand to your right knee, right hand behind you. Draw the shoulders away from the ears and start to look to where it's comfortable for you. Don't lean back, but sit upright. Inhale, hands reach up. And then exhale, twist to the left side. Right knee on the right knee. Right hand on the left knee rather. And then look all the way to the back. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, bring the hands in front of the heart and release the hands on the knee. Now you can choose to lay down or do another short 10-minute class if you have more time. Or you can just lay down here and just scan your body and check how you're feeling. It's a great way to release any stress from your day and just breathe in and breathe out. Close your eyes for some time. Go within. Sit tall and light. Feel the light shining through you. Gently open the eyes. Thank you for joining me in this evening yoga stretch. I hope that you like this content. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that red button to subscribe. It is free. And thank you for joining me in today's practice. Namaste. Thank you.